What's up, guys? It's JC and Charles. Today we'll be doing Cedric versus Charles 6. Alright. So Cedric came up with an incredible win earlier. 3, 2, 1, start. Alright, Charles starts. Oh, wow, he starts off with a shot. 2-0 Charles. That was amazing. I thought Charles had that game, you know. He's going to blow out Cedric today. In this game today. Oh wow, that was so stupid. Come on! Cedric is not cheating. Missed it! Come on, Charles, shoot a 3. At least. Oh, that was close. It's okay. Sorry.
It's 2-0, remember.
For the shot. Oh, Cedric, how'd you miss that? Oh no, Charles! A nice dive on the ground. Oh, that was actually great, but oh, Charles! It's okay. No, he didn't foul. He just did that on purpose. Oh, that's okay. And it's 2-2. Yeah, I would verse you, Cedric. Oh, 4-2, Charles. Charles is literally so much better at basketball than he was like 5 years old. What the fudge?
Yeah. You got 6 minutes here.
This is it. Oh, if Cedric wins the next 2 games, then if Cedric gets 8, wins 8. Stitch!
It's a kick ball. I kicked the ball.
Come on, keep going.
It's a kick ball.
That's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Charles, shoot a 3. Shoot a 3, okay? I dare you to.
Yes. Among Us. Oh.
Why'd you say Among Us? Dun.
Last time I was an imposter.
4-2.
JC, you took it before I even finished.
I know, I'm sorry. You can play 2 more games of Among Us once this game's done, okay? Charles!
Didn't know I stepped on the ball.
And he missed the shot. How dare you?
Wait, what is the score?
4-2 Charles.
Charles is winning?
Oh, actually 4-4.
Wait, how?
Oh, 4-2 Charles. What am I lying about?
No, it's 4-4.
4-2. I'll just give it to Charles, okay? That way it won't be
4-3,
bad.
4-3.
4-3 then, okay? 4-3. He didn't. No 3s have been made. 4-4 then.
Wait.
4. Yeah then. Nope.
Ow.
That's no foul. You guys both collid. Cedric, shoot! No, why am I rooting for Cedric? I want Charles to win so bad. I know, I thought you won. I had a feeling you could have won. Charles. Oh, what a crossover. Oh. He's super great nowadays. He used to be this trash person. Oh my god! That was a great one, actually. Oh my goodness. Not looking? Missed the shot. Haha. No, Charles! Oh. What? You got a hot mic over there, Charles. Hot mic, am I right? Ha! Missed the shot. Oh, that's no good. It's still 6 minutes and it's still 4-4.
Wait, that's why I'm in hot and winning.
Oh, that was not even close to amazing. 4-2.
I'm missing.
4-2, am I right? Okay. 4-4 I meant. Charles! You fell! You slept on defense! Really? Alright. No! Oh, nice catch, actually. Wow, I got shot. Charles, shoot!
Since you're the king,
Oh,
I could be the king. So I'll win.
Oh! Nailed it! 7-4 Charles. Dang. I bet he won't make it. Told you! Ha! I'm just kidding, sorry. Sorry, Cedric. I didn't mean to make fun of you.
Winner.
Charles, wide left! 5:28. No, wait a second. Okay, you're good. Cedric, get the ball. I want. Do you want another overtime?
I got out.
That wasn't out of bounds. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Oh. Ah, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Shoot it, Cedric. Shoot it. Get away. I think Charles has it. Charles has it, kind of. Oh, he mostly has it. Oh, Charles mostly has it. Hey, come on, you guys. You can't waste your time on this.
I can't. You're gonna lose. You gotta let go at this moment.
Oh, you almost let go. Charles, jump ball, jump ball, jump ball, jump ball. Okay, ready. Okay.
Oh my God.
Sorry. 3. Wait. Here, I'm gonna throw it. 3, 2, 1. Up for grabs. Oh, that looked amazing, actually. It's gonna be 9-4. I'm gonna get that. All right, so when I got it down, it went in, so it's 9-4 Charles.
And I made another shot. That's a 3.
11, 12 to 4. Come on. Cedric's out of reach.
Trying. You're gonna...
Shut up. He can come back at any time. Looks like your 5-game winning streak's gonna snap.
Sorry, I'll snap.
No, you're not a B. Make the 3. So close. Oh, this should be best moment in JC and Charles for 2020. Am I right, bro? Am I right, guys? I meant. Oh, this is. Get it, Cedric! Shoot! It's gonna be over already. I want Charles to win. He's gonna definitely win today. Am I making puns? Oh, that nasty. Okay. What a miss, sir. All right, you got 310. Cedric needs to try hard and try to win.
You're gonna lose.
Oh, 15-4 Charles.
How am I making all these threes?
I know, you're a beast now. Thanks to wearing that thingy, I guess.
I'm winning.
You're crossed up. He probably is in the room, or he went, or is out. Maybe he's upstairs. Charles? Man, he never stops. 18-4. Unbelievable. Cedric is gonna lose for the first time.
Yay!
And it's 18-6 now.
I was trying to 2-pointer instead of...
Wow, you can get like 30. Oh!
Me.
21-6, Charles. Oh, I thought he was gonna make that. I would have been super amazed.
Awesome.
All right, 21-8.
I'm gonna win. You're making 2 and I'm making 3.
21-8. That's another 3. Oh my God, he is a beast. 24-8, Charles. This game's so different now. 24-8. Are you kidding me? 27-8, Charles. I want Cedric to get, okay, good. 27-10. 27-10, okay.
I'm winning.
Oh, he's gonna make another 3. Just watch this. Oh no, that was so off. 27-10, Charles.
How is this not possible? I'm shooting lightly.
Oh, he missed that one.
I'm
Airballed.
tired.
I know, it's okay.
Shoot it lightly, make it rightly.
That doesn't make sense. Oh, Cedric could have a good chance. If Cedric comes back, I will be super shocked. Okay, maybe it might be the start of Cedric's comeback. Nope. And the paper towels fall.
Pick that up and put it on the table.
Nah, okay. Well, you just left it wide open, and it's 30-10.
I'm gonna win. Because I was tired.
I know, it's okay. Get rest. 55 seconds. He has...
He pushed me. He pushed me.
No, it's okay. Whatever. You're still winning. 30-10, Charles. How is he doing this?
Guys, because you should make it the 6th one in 1 year after.
40, okay?
1 year after.
I know, but it's okay, bro.
Good thing you have
Don't worry. We'll be in your house for Super Bowl 55. 30-13. I hope we will. No good by Charles, but it doesn't matter. He will win. Unless if Cedric makes a bunch.
17 points.
Ha! 30 to 13.
You think you're gonna